English Listening Podcasts. Today, we talk about a simple rule, a rule that can change your life. It is called the Daily Output Rule. Many people feel stuck. They feel bored. They feel powerless. They consume all day. They watch, they scroll, they read, they compare. Then they feel tired. But they did not create anything, so they feel empty, because consumption does not build identity. Creation builds identity. So today, we will build a creator mindset, not for fame, for power, for progress, for life. Let me tell you a short story. A person wakes up. They say, "Today I will build," but they feel pressure. They think, "I must make something big. I must do it perfectly. I must be ready." So they delay. They consume content instead. They learn a lot, but they do not move. After weeks, they feel frustrated because they have ideas but no output. Now, imagine a different person. They wake up and follow one rule. I produce something every day. Small, simple, not perfect, but real. After 1 month, they have a body of work. They have proof. They have momentum. That is the daily output rule. Now, 2 ideas. Idea 1. Output builds identity. Your brain believes what you repeat. If you create daily, your brain learns, I am a creator. I am a builder. I am a person who ships. This identity becomes energy. Then you do not need motivation because your identity pulls you. Also, output gives you skill. Skill comes from reps, not from planning, not from watching, from reps. So output is not just result, output is training. Idea 2. Small output beats perfect output. Many people want to make one perfect thing, so they wait. They wait for time. They wait for mood. They wait for the perfect plan. But perfect is heavy. Perfect slows you down. So we choose a different strategy. Ship small. Small output is easy to start. It reduces fear. It makes you brave. And it creates a habit. A daily habit is stronger than a big project. Now, what is output? Output can be many things. Write 200 words. Record 2 minutes of audio. Make 1 short video idea. Design 1 simple graphic. Build 1 small feature. Learn 1 concept and explain it. Publish 1 lesson. Fix 1 bug. Create 1 product page. It does not need to be public. Public is optional. Output can be private. The main thing is you made something real. Now, let's talk about the difference versus consumer and creator. A consumer asks, what should I watch today? What should I read today? What do people think? The creator asks, what will I make today? What will I practice today? What will I ship today? The creator has direction. The consumer has noise. So the daily output rule is a filter. When you feel lost, ask, what is my output today? 1 small output. Now, I want to talk about fear. Many people fear output because output can be judged. Even if nobody judges, you judge yourself. You think, this is not good. This is not ready. This is not special. But here's the truth. Your early output will be average. That is normal. You are building skill. Nobody starts great. So your job is not to be amazing now. Your job is to be consistent now. Greatness is a result of reps. Now, let me tell you a small story. A person wants to write. They wait for inspiration. They write one day, then stop for 2 weeks. They never improve. Another person writes 200 words daily. Some days are bad, some days are good. After 90 days, they are better. Not because of talent, because of output. Now, let's make a mini plan. Mini plan for today. Step 1. Choose your daily output format. Pick one. Writing, audio, code, design, learning notes, business action. Only one. Step 2. Define your daily minimum output. Make it small. Examples: 200 words, 10 lines of notes, 1 small feature, 1 short recording, 1 post idea, 1 tiny shipment. Make it easy enough to do on bad days. Step 3. Time box it. Set a timer for 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Output is not forever. It is a session. Step 4. Ship, then stop. When the timer ends, stop. Do not over-polish. Do not overthink. Save it. Publish it if you want, but keep the rule. Daily output. Step 5. Keep a simple output log. 1 line per day. Today I shipped blank. This log becomes your proof, and proof becomes confidence. Now, I want to give you a strong mindset line. You do not find momentum, you create momentum. Momentum is built by daily action. Daily output is daily action. Now, do shadowing with me. Repeat slowly. I create more than I consume. Output builds my future. I ship small things daily. I do not wait for perfect. I practice creation. I build momentum. I learn by making. I stay consistent. I publish and move on. I build. Now, here's your challenge today. Create one small output. Today. Even if it's ugly. Even if it's simple. Do it. Then write one line. I shipped today. If you want more calm episodes like this, subscribe and stay with me. Less consumption, more creation. Daily output. See you next episode.